Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unlocking the power of Asana by learning how to link tasks to multiple projects. This feature can supercharge your productivity by giving you the flexibility to manage a single task across various related projects. Our first step is to open Asana and navigate to the task we want to link. The reason we do this is to select the specific task that we want to appear in multiple projects. Once you've identified the task, click on it to open the task detail pane. Now, you'll notice a plus icon next to the project name in this task detail pane. Click on this icon. This helps us because it's how we add this task to additional projects. A drop-down menu will appear, displaying all your existing projects. Next up, we start linking. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is creating a virtual bridge between your task and the projects you select. So, go ahead and choose the projects you want this task to be linked to. You can select as many projects as needed. Just remember to press Enter after each selection. This is important because it ensures your task is correctly associated with all the selected projects. Now that we've done that, you might wonder how to confirm if the task is indeed linked to the chosen projects. Well, it's quite simple. You'll see the names of the linked projects next to the task name in the task detail pane. This visibility is beneficial as it gives you a quick overview of where the task is being tracked. Let me explain why this matters. Linking tasks to multiple projects allows you to streamline your workflow by reducing duplication. It's a game changer when your task impacts multiple projects. With this feature, you can update once and reflect changes everywhere. And there you have it. That's how you link tasks to multiple projects on Asana. It's a powerful yet underutilized feature that can boost your productivity and workflow efficiency. So, go ahead and get linking. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, stay productive.